This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ram 1500 tailgate. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a T45 Torx bit and a flathead screwdriver. Begin by lowering your tailgate completely flat. This provides the best access to the hinge mechanisms. Next, locate and carefully disconnect any electrical connections, typically found on the driver's side of the tailgate. This step is crucial for safety and to prevent damage. With the electrical connections unhooked, focus on the hinges. Use your T45 Torx bit to remove the bolt securing the driver's side hinge. Once that bolt is out, gently slide the entire tailgate towards the driver's side of the truck. This action will disengage the passenger side hinge, allowing it to clear its mounting pin. Be ready to support the tailgate's weight. Now, with the tailgate free from both hinges, it's time for removal. This is a two-person job due to the tailgate's weight and size. Have a helper assist you in lifting the tailgate straight up and away from the truck. Once removed, store it in a safe, flat, and protected location. You might also want to cover it with a blanket or tarp to prevent any accidental scratches or damage. Reinstalling your Ram 1500 tailgate is essentially the reverse of these steps. Carefully align the passenger side hinge first, then slide the tailgate back into place. Secure the driver's side Torx bolt and reconnect all electrical harnesses. Double-check everything for a secure fit before closing. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.